everybody, I'm meteorologist Rodney Harris in the CBS 46 Weather Center. So the rain will continue in Metro Atlanta for the rest of the morning. So if you have any plans this morning, know that you will get wet. But this cold front's moving through this afternoon, so the rain is moving out of Metro Atlanta after 3 o'clock today. So if you have any last minute plans later on this afternoon and into the evening, it will be mostly dry in Atlanta. But at the same time, we do start to see some scattered snow showers in the mountains. So no snow whatsoever this morning. But after 3 o'clock today, as cold air starts to mix with leftover moisture, we will see some scattered snow showers in the higher elevations of the mountains, especially from Ellijay to Blue Ridge, Hiawassee. You can see the pink and even some white and blue showing up. That's a mix and snow. And scattered snow showers will continue off and on in the higher elevations of the mountains for the rest of the evening and into early Christmas morning. So we do have a winter weather advisory that starts at 1 o'clock this afternoon. It is for the North Georgia mountains, the higher elevations. It includes Gilmer County, Murray County, Fannin Towns, and Union counties. Again, 1 o'clock this afternoon until 1 o'clock on Christmas morning. The reason they issue this advisory is because there's going to be enough snow, at least a dusting, to where it could cause some travel issues. Again, for those of you in the higher elevations of the North Georgia mountains, it's possible that you could see a few flurries in Metro Atlanta this evening. But if you do see flurries, it'll be something that's cool to take a picture of as it's happening, but it won't stick to the ground, at least in Atlanta. As we take a look at the totals, you can see all this blue, which indicates at least a dusting of snow that will be possible. And it's also possible where you see some of this dark blue, where at least an inch of snow will be possible. Again, that is in the higher elevations of the North Georgia mountains through Christmas morning. Speaking of Christmas, in Metro Atlanta, it'll be completely dry for Christmas, but super cold. We start at 26 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Day. By lunchtime, it's 32 degrees, and we never get out of the 30s on Christmas, up to 36 degrees by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. A breezy northwest wind at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. But even though it'll be super cold on Christmas, it will stay dry, not only for Christmas, but right on through the weekend.